We're so happy to share something new with you. Our brand new website, Healthy and Delicious.
We've just launched it, and it's the beginning of something special. Up here in the menu, you can explore recipes by category: Mediterranean, gluten-free, vegan. The site will keep growing as we add more recipes, tips, and ideas every week.
On the homepage, you'll always find our latest featured recipes, so you can quickly discover what's new. Each recipe page gives you clear step-by-step instructions, helpful tips, and photos, everything you need to bring the dish to life, including a video recipe to visually guide you.
And every recipe now includes a printable PDF version. Just click to download, print. This is just the beginning. We'll keep expanding and improving to make Healthy and Delicious your go-to place for recipes. Come cook with us, where nutritious meets delicious.